ahoy, we are articles. There are three main types of articles. All the and the and are the three important words. They have different words, different features. Please for when the noun is all one kind. Articles, we are articles. Ahoy there, ahoy, we are adjectives.
An is for when the noun is unspecific. Articles, ahoy, we are articles.
Articles, we are articles.
Ahoy there, ahoy, we are articles.
And's for when the noun is a vowel.
Articles, ahoy, we are articles.
A is for the nouns that are consonants. It always has to be a non-specific word. Articles are good, but without them, it would be much harder to speak English then. Articles, we are articles. Ahoy there, ahoy, we are articles. So follow the rules of articles. Articles, ahoy, we are articles.
Articles!